How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hello everyone. If you wish to delete Instagram account permanently, then this tutorial is for you. But before we jump into the process, it's crucial to understand that permanently deleting your Instagram account means erasing your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers. This action is irreversible, so ensure it's what you really want before proceeding. So, let's walk through the steps. The first step is open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you have logged into your account if you're not already logged in. Then, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines or the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, select and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, under Settings and Privacy, select the first option labeled Account Center. Then once the Account Center opens up, select Personal Details. In this Personal Details, select the last option Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivation or Deletion to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles. Now in the list, select the Instagram account that you want to deactivate. As you can see here that you'll have two options here. You can deactivate your account, which is temporary, or you can delete permanently your account. So to delete your account permanently, just select and tap on second option, which is Delete Account, and then select Continue. Here you are required to provide a reason for deleting your Instagram account. Just select one and then select Continue. Then, this is info on privacy on Instagram. You can select Continue. Now all you need to do is enter the password for your Instagram account. Once you're done, tap on Continue. Before confirm the account deletion, make sure you read this important note. It's stated that your profile and account details will be deleted on certain date, usually 30 days after the deletion if you decide to continue with account deletion. To confirm permanent account deletion, select and tap on Delete Account. But you can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the deletion process starts. Whenever you want to cancel your Instagram deletion account, just simply log in with your username and password and your account will be fully restored. So that's how you delete Instagram account permanently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.